How to fix water not entering the tank. When the low water warning light comes on, it means the water level in the tank is low or no water is entering. Loosen the screws on the rear panel and open it. Remove the float ball and cut off the cable ties. Unplug the terminal of the float ball. Take out the old float ball and get the new one ready. Install the float ball following the steps shown in the video. Fit the thermal insulation cotton in place. Use zip ties to neatly secure all component wires so they do not get tangled. Close the rear panel and tighten the screws. Let me know if you need a diagram reference or a simplified checklist version for your Amazon listing.